Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys how to do a couple things here in StatCrunch. So I've already copied this data into StatCrunch up here, and I've already calculated the mean of the discrete random variable. So I just wanted to show you how to calculate the variance or the standard deviation of the complete random variable using StatCrunch. Now, obviously, you can do this in Excel and things like that, or you can just compute it by hand. But there is a way to do this in Excel also. So if you go to Data, and then go to Compute Expression, and I'm just going to build this a piece at a time here, but click on the Build button, and then what you can do, again, if you look at the bottom of page 328, in that purple box, there's an expression for calculating the standard deviation of a discrete random variable. And I'm going to use the second formula, and we are going to be calculating the variation in this case, which will be the square of the standard deviation. So basically you're going to want to take the x-coordinates and square them, multiply those times the probability densities, and then add those together, and then finally subtract the square of the mean. So in this case, I'll just do this a piece at a time. But basically what I'm going to do in this case, again, is take the x variable, click on Add Column, go ahead and square that, and then I will multiply that times the p of x here. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and click on OK and compute, and it will compute that in this column. So again, it's basically just taking the numbers in this column, squaring them, and then multiplying them times this to get these numbers. And then what we want to do is add these numbers together. And again, you could do that with a calculator, but again, you can also do that in StatCrunch. Again, if you go to Data and Compute Expression, go to Build, and there are several functions you can choose from over here. Since I want to add, I will just pick sum, but there are other functions you can use also. And click on Add Function, and then I'm going to want to sum this column, and click OK, and then Compute, and it will put the sum of what I get when I add these numbers together up here. So then to finally compute the variance, what I basically want to do is take this number, the 2 squared, and again, I'll just do that using my calculator. So I would just go ahead and take 6.204 minus 2 squared, so minus 4, and that will give you 2.204. I guess I could have done that pretty easily without my calculator, I guess. And then again, you don't need to square root that because you are taking the square. So putting that number in here, 2.204, and pressing enter, hopefully that'll give us the right result. Oh, but I guess I need to round. Sorry, I forgot to round to 1 decimal place here, right? So anyway, so just to let you know, you can do computations similar to what you can do in Excel in StatCrunch. Again, I don't think it's quite as easy, but again, you can compute those by hand as well. So I just thought I'd let you guys know that. Sorry I didn't make videos about this sooner, but I've been trying to figure out how to get videos closed caption, and I'm kind of behind the 8 ball here. So hopefully that'll help out a little bit. So, all right, if you guys have any questions or have any problems, just let me know. All right, bye.